Okay. Another review. Echo 1 P-90. Cost me $170. Pretty good. It's got the rail system on the top already. I have a scope up there. Semi, probably can't see that. I don't know if we can get the lighting right so you can see. S safety 1 semi. A is full auto. Magazine, obviously. Pull these things back and then lift up and it comes out. It tries to load a few in the chamber, so you have to put those out, put them back in. It goes in here. Probably won't be able to get them all in though, but wow. Whatever, I got one. Okay, never mind. I don't care. You can see the BBs, but you can't because it's dark, but they go like up and down the inside of the clip and you can see them. And the little circular thing, you might be able to see them at that angle. I slip it in, put it down. Feels pretty good when you hold it like this. Feels pretty good. It's not bad. Yeah. Semi-auto. Sometimes the gears get fused in auto and semi, and it might fire in auto a few rounds, even if it's on the one. But oh jeez. Wow! Wow, it's going right through and just bouncing all over the place. That's gay. And all over my room. In full auto mode. Got empty, it's clipping under 5 seconds. It's a 68 round mag. Battery goes in the stock. Push this thing in, push it down, pops up. It's the battery. Unclip this, and here it is. It's a small type battery. 1100 mAh. 9.6 volt. Obviously, you can't read that because it won't focus. But it usually takes like 3.5 hours to charge, but I have a smart charger, so it takes less. Put it back in, clip it together, and then this part's a little bit of a pain. Trying to stuff it back in there so you can put the battery cover on. You got to start from the bottom and like slide your way up, kind of. This is the pain. This really is, but. This is the main downside to the gun. This thing is a pain to get back on. I mean, you do, but... Alright, there we go. But, yep. Pretty firm trigger. Pretty easy to press. Battery actually lasts a little while. I played in a war for probably an hour and a half, and I emptied like 6 rounds, and the power didn't even really decrease that much. Oh, I just got air in my face. Yeah, it's pretty good. This is E90 right there, etched. Once again, you probably can't see that. This is Cal 5.7 by 28. On the side of the magazine, it's weird. Side of the magazine right there, it says E90 high capacity magazine. When this isn't the high capacity wind-up magazine. The high capacity one holds 300 rounds. This holds 68, which you will blow through so quickly. But it does come with 2, so if you're pressed on money, then that's a little bit better of a deal. Just because of that matter. The box comes with a black flash hider if you want to get illegal and take the orange one off, although it's a pain. I haven't been able to get it off yet. Comes with the spare magazine, landing rod as usual, stuff right there. Doesn't come with a speed loader, but this is mine. Get out of here. God, I hate my nephew. The box. Yep. It has hop up. It's a little hard to get to, but not really. It's like a little trap door right here. Might be able to see it in the light. Up. Down. There's a little wheel inside there. Right here, this white thing. And that's the hop up wheel. But I mean, it's good gun. It's pretty accurate. Sorry this wasn't too detailed of a review. I have to go into work early and I'm really not happy about that, but